Hey, it's John Paul from Spec MB. I'd like to talk about the pipes going from an oil furnace, but any kind of a gas furnace, anything that burns a fuel would be similar, that goes from that to the chimney. See the hole right here? The fumes are very strong in this house. When I turn on the furnace, carbon monoxide fumes that can and does kill people. You know, this house is very dangerous, easily fixed with a new piece of pipe, but be careful. If you smell more than you should, any amount of fumes shouldn't be in the house. Find out the source. If you can't figure it out, hire somebody that can. You don't want to die over this. Have a great day. Be safe.